Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Have you noticed that one of ChatGPT's newest features is the ability to use ChatGPT directly inside Google Sheets? Before, if you wanted ChatGPT to analyze a spreadsheet, you had to upload the file directly into ChatGPT first. But now, you can use ChatGPT directly inside Google Sheets, and honestly, this makes spreadsheet work much faster and more practical for daily tasks. As you can see, it can create complete spreadsheets with formulas just by describing what you need. More importantly, it can instantly analyze and summarize your data to uncover useful insights. You can also safely edit spreadsheets with step-by-step explanations while keeping your formulas and formatting intact. Now here is how to set it up. First, search for ChatGPT spreadsheets. Then select Try ChatGPT in Sheets. Next, install ChatGPT for Google Sheets. Click Install, then log into your account. Choose which permissions you want to allow. Once the installation is complete, follow the official instructions to enable ChatGPT inside Google Sheets. Let me show you how it works. Open any Google Sheets document you want to work with, or simply start with a blank spreadsheet. Then select Extensions. You'll see the installed ChatGPT extension at the bottom. Click it. Then open Sidebar. Now I'll use a sales data set as an example to demonstrate how powerful this extension can be. For example, you can ask, calculate the profit margin for each product. This is extremely useful because ChatGPT can automatically generate the data for you without requiring advanced spreadsheet knowledge. You can also ask analytical questions like, which products have excessively high advertising costs? Instead of manually comparing hundreds of rows, ChatGPT can quickly identify patterns and point out products with unusually low returns or inefficient ad spending. You can even continue asking follow-up questions naturally, almost like talking to a data analyst directly inside Google Sheets. Overall, this new feature makes data analysis much easier for beginners, while also saving a huge amount of time for advanced users. If you regularly work with data, reports, or business analysis, this is definitely a feature worth trying. Don't forget to like and follow to stay updated with the latest AI news, tools, and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.